going to open my Cricut design, and I'm just gonna zoom in so it's easier to see, and I'm gonna type happy birthday, and the font I'm gonna use is Hello Wedding. I'm gonna delete all this space in between, and I'm just changing the color pink so I could see it better. Then I ungroup all the letters so I can move them all individually, and I'm going to move them so they can be all attached to each other. The letter I's, I always separate the dot from the I. So I just inserted another circle and I split the image up because I usually want the dot of the I to be either bigger or in a different spot. I'm just gonna duplicate this image because I want to show you that what's the next thing I do, because this is not the final step. Once I weld the image, as you can see, those little lines, those little extra things on top, yeah, you don't want that. It does not look good. Before welding the image, what I do, I insert like a shape and I place it over where the letter overlap, and then I slice it. So as you can see, only the P and the circle that's selected. And once I slice it, that little piece is no longer part of the P, and I just delete it. And I just end up doing that to all the letters. As you can see, my D was like that, and then the A after that. Once I do that, I select all the letters and I weld the image together, and it's done. A lot of the standard cakes are size 9 inches or 6, so I usually do the 6-inch cake toppers. So I resize the width to 6, and I want the height to be a little bit 4 inches, just so it looks nice and big. I am using the deep cut blade. If I were to use my fine point blade, then I would choose the more pressure.